So welcome back to our YouTube channel Dollar Money. In this video we will see some YouTube settings, community settings, some YouTube channel community settings. So before making any delay, let's start this video. So as you can see, I have already logged in to our YouTube channel Dollar Money. So what we have to do first is we have to go to our YouTube channel. So as you can see, I have just clicked on Dollar Money channel, and from here you can click on head, and then you need to go on YouTube Studio. So after clicking YouTube Studio, you will redirect to the YouTube channel dashboard, as you can see here. So as you know, we are going to see some settings on community settings on our YouTube channel. So for that, you first need to go over here, the option settings. After you find this option settings, you need to click on it, and once it open you will see six or seven options. Currently it says six options. So after that you need to click on the community option. So this is all about today's video. You will see all the settings of community under the YouTube channel studio settings. The first thing you will see is moderator. So what is moderator? These users can remove comment which will be appearing help for review space, and they can also moderate your live chat message. So basically moderator can help you filter out the negative comments or some comments which is not good on your YouTube channel videos or also in a live chat. So the second one is, for that you need to add their channel URL. So as you can see here, here is the channel URL of the user to add as a moderator. The next is approve user. So what is approve user? Comment from these user automatically published and won't be filtered for block links, block words, or potential inappropriate content. So basically, what is approver user? So approved user are those user which can comment in your videos without getting blocked. E- Either they can also post some links or some words, doesn't matter. They don't go, the algorithm and the AI system will not block them. The next is hidden users. So what is hidden user? Comments and live chat messages from this user won't show up. So what is hidden user? Comments and live chat messages from this user won't show up. It may take several days to remove exist comment and live chat message. So what is hidden user? So basically hidden user are those users which are not able to comment in our YouTube videos or in our YouTube channels video. So in all of three, you first need to get their channel URL to add them as a moderator, approved user, and a hidden user. The next is live redirect. So basically let leave this part because it is not going to help you. So basically you can read from here. Allows other creators to send their viewers to any of your live stream or premium. Your channel can only be selected for a live redirect. So the next is default. So as you can see, comment on your channel will. This is are the four options which is provided here. The first thing is allow all users. So every comment, either it's good or bad, doesn't matter. It will go in on your videos. But if you had chose this option, the potential inappropriate comment will go for review. And then next is message and live chat. You can also hold potential inappropriate chat because they have their own system to determine which is bad word or which is not a bad word. It's they know after they know once their system flag those words. So this is all about today's video. If you have any doubt, please reach out to me in the comment section. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Dollar Money. Have a good day.